and to be at the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada, and to be here with all the devotees of Birmingham Yatra. It's extremely great pleasure for us. So tonight we're all going to go to Vrindavan without ticket, no visa, no security check, no mask. And first step to get to Vrindavan is get the mercy of the Vaishnava. So we have a beautiful song by Narottam Das Thakur, because Prabhupada was very fond of Narottam Das Thakur's song. Even today, if you go into the villages, you'll find them singing Narottam songs just like we sing. If you in Bangladesh, you'll find them singing the Narottam Das songs just like we sing folk songs. It's very, very simple Bengali, but Prabhupada said the deep truths of Vedic philosophy are there. It's amazing. Very simple language, but deep truths of philosophy is there. So, if you have your devices, as Prabhuji said, you please put them on silent, because these babies have a way of crying in the middle of the lecture. And you can look on the internet for Ebara Karuna Koro. Ebara Karuna Koro Vaishnava Gosai. Ebara Karuna Koro Vaishnava Gosai. A little faster. Patita Pavana Toma Vina Kihona. Kaharane kate gele papadure Emanadayala Prabhu Kodaba. Gangara Paracha Haile Paschate Pava. Darshane Pavitra Koro Ito Maragu. Darshane Pavitra Koro Ito Maragu. Harisane Aparade Tare Harina Tomatane Yapa Rade Nahi Paritra Patita Pavana Toma Bina Keona Jai Vaishnav Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Jaya Vaishnav Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Vaishnav Thakur ki. So this is a beautiful song by Narottam Das Thakur. And he says, E bara karuna koro Vaishnava Gosai. The actual word is Goswami, but this is a very sweet, affectionate nickname that we have in Bengali. We say Gosai. Is Evara Karuna. Karuna means compassionate. This time, be compassionate upon me, O Vaishnava Gosai. Patita Pavana Toma Bina Kehonai. Patit means ourselves. Patit. Fallen. Patita Pavana Toma. Pavana means to purify. So, like the Vaishnava, there's no one who can purify the fallen souls. He's so powerful. Is Patita Pavana Toma Bina Kehona. There's nobody like the Vaishnava who can purify the fallen souls. Hmm? Just like I wrote a book, I translated a book, Madhurya Kadambini of Biswanath Chakravarti Thakur. And he explains that it's only the Vaishnava can give you bhakti. Because bhakti is living in the heart of the bhakt. And he says even Krishna doesn't give bhakti. Because if Krishna gave bhakti, then we'll have to criticize him. That he's giving to someone, he's not giving to other. Just like you could all be home watching TV or going to the movies or something else. But you've all come here tonight because you have some bhakti. And previously in your England, there was one fellow, Stephen Hawking, and he wrote so many books that this Bhagwan is a nonsense thing. God is a nonsense thing. No bhakti. So if Krishna is giving to someone, he's giving to someone else. But he says in Bhagavad Gita, Samoham Sarvabhuta, I'm equal to everyone. So we'll have to criticize him, he's partial. So only the Bhakt can give us. Because in Srimad Bhagavatam, it's described that the Bhakt is partial. He worships the Lord. He associates with the devotees. He tries to raise up the innocent. And he avoids the atheists. His nature, as described in Srimad Bhagavatam, is partial. But the Lord, he's under the control of his devotee. Whoever the devotee will give mercy to, then the Lord will come behind and give mercy to that person. So first we want to get mercy of the Vaishnava. And he has a very beautiful line here. Tumara hridoye sada Govinda Visram. Visram means to take rest. Just like in Mathura we have one place, Visram Ghat. We know after Krishna killed Kamsa and all his demoniac brothers and friends, and he went to the bank of Jamuna and took bath and took rest. But from Brahapuram we learned that even many millions of years ago, Lord Braha, after he lifted up the Bhumandala from the bottom of the ocean, he also came there to Mathura and took rest. So work we know is shram. But to take rest, that's the opposite, visram. So this is known as Visram God. So, Tomara Hridoye Sada Govinda Visram. And we never saw the picture of Krishna taking rest. He's herding the cows, he's stealing butter, he's pestering the gopis, teasing the gopis, he's lifting over downhill. So many things. We see everywhere Krishna doing something. We never saw a picture of Krishna sleeping. And here's the secret. It says, Tomara Hridoye Sada Govinda Visram. Because we never saw Krishna taking rest, because he wants to take rest. He finds out the pure heart of a devotee like Srila Prabhupada and takes rest in his heart. Tumara Hridoye Sada Govinda Visram. If we never saw... My goodness. We never saw the picture of Krishna taking rest because he's taking rest in the heart of the devotee. And Govinda Kohena Mora Vaishnava Paran. This is Old Bengali. Actual word is pran. But Old Bengali we say paran. That Lord is in the heart of the devotee. So devotee is in the heart of the Lord. Lord is in the heart of the devotee. How this is possible? These are the inconceivable pastimes of the Lord and his pure devotees. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
You want to sing any more?
Yeah, we'll sing a nice song.